So I was telling you guys that I was really fed up with my hair. So I got like a little chop and I haven't really styled it that much yet. So I figured I would try curling it today with you guys. Just, yeah, do it together, style it, and see how it turns out. So let's start. I just kind of did like a rough dry. Usually when I curl my hair, I let it naturally air dry. But this time I kind of just wanted like a smooth base to start on. I'm just going to separate my hair into 3 or 4 layers, probably 4. I have pretty thick hair. I'm using a 1-inch Sultra wand. It's just heating up. Another thing that I usually do with my hair when I'm curling it is I rotate directions in the way that I curl it. But I think this time I'm just gonna curl it away from my face, just because the last time I curled it in like all different directions, like I just didn't like the way it turned out. So how did I, yeah. I think I'm just gonna leave this like just the bottoms out because I don't want it too ringlety. And then I'm gonna pull it so it doesn't, I just want a wave. I don't want an intense curl. And you may have noticed that I didn't put any product in my hair, and that's because I don't like my hair to be crispy or crunchy. So I just kind of like to leave it. And then I like separate the curl a little. That's it. Usually the bottom layer I don't try as hard on, like I do a better job in the top layers, just because it's such a daunting task to do my hair. So like where you can't see it, I usually I'm not as meticulous. In some pieces I take smaller, like, so I have like some more defined curls than others. I'm actually gonna switch directions on this one. I usually hate when the curls are so uniform, but I just feel like on this hair and the way that I'm doing it, I'm not gonna have that look no matter which direction I go with the curls. So it's just a look that I've already done so many times on my hair. That's why I'm like just so over it and sick of it, but oh, I'm liking it so far. This is the first time I'm doing my hair. Cool. What I want to tell you guys. So I've been noticing since the summertime that my hair has been shedding a lot. I knew something wasn't right. I literally asked like my friends in a group chat, I'm like, is anyone like shedding a lot? Like, is it the weather? Is it the season? And they're like, yeah, it's just the season probably, or you're not brushing your hair a lot, you're not brushing your hair enough. You gotta brush your hair so that like you get rid of like your daily shed. Because sometimes I wear my hair naturally curly, especially in the summer. And I was like, yeah, maybe. But I knew like something was up. Like I was shedding a lot, and I'm still shedding actually. And I just found out, remember I told you in my vlog in like September that I wasn't feeling well, and that's one of the reasons that I just like couldn't be consistent on YouTube. I needed a break from it all for various reasons, but one of them was I just wasn't feeling myself. I found out that my thyroid levels were off again. And so my dose was too high. It was actually too high. So I was like losing hair, and then the doctor's like, yeah, you may have noted, like I had blood taken, which I told you guys that I went to get my blood levels checked and everything. And she called me and she said, yeah, I don't know, you may have noticed like some hair loss. I'm like, yes, that's exactly what I've noticed. So I really hope I get regulated soon, because with thyroid medication, it takes longer than just a week or two or a couple days or a week. It takes a good 6 to like 10 weeks to really regulate. I just feel like I just only found out like a couple weeks ago, so I'm only a couple weeks on the new dose. So I'm taking a lot more effort in these layers here now, because I'm doing smaller pieces and I'm gonna get more texture in here. The bottom is just like there, you don't really see it. Let's go this way. Did anyone notice that I missed that? Okay, I'm just gonna do this for 2 seconds because I don't want it to be like a weird spiral, like out of place. So, put it in there. So when I'm doing the very top layer, I usually do the back first, because just get it out of the way, get it over with, and then I can really focus on this part. I usually on the top layer go this way and then this way, because this is the most annoying part for me to do, and I like to do it last to really take my time and know that I just often screw up that part, especially because it's just a tad bit shorter there as well. Doing smaller pieces here and not for as long, just to get like a lot of texture but not too ringlety. Just really pulling that, because yeah. My battery's gonna die. I'm going to plug my battery in for like 10 minutes and then come do the front with you guys. Or maybe I'll finish on my phone. I don't know. So, I don't know. I feel like, should I go? Ow. Ooh. I had to switch over to my phone because my battery died. These pieces always give me the most anxiety, no matter what length my hair is, because this is kind of like the make or break of the hair, I feel like. I'm happy with this. Like, once you break it up, which I've already started to do a little, I think it'll fall really nicely. This part stresses me out, and I'm thinking, I don't know, should I go in or out? No, I'm not gonna go out because I feel like, God, I'm not making a mistake. I don't know. Just like, okay, it's not the worst, but no, that's not the best either. I don't wanna Okay, maybe that was an okay call. Okay. Pull. So you just get that soft little. So this is the hair. No product at all. Nothing at all. So I love to actually play with it and just move it around. Sometimes I like it in the middle. Sometimes I like it on the side. And sometimes the other side. And actually, as the days go on, like tomorrow and the next day, it'll look even better. Like it'll fall even better on the side. Yeah. I'm really happy with this hair because I was getting really tired of my hair. As you guys know, if you watch my latest vlog, I've been so done with my hair. So I just needed like a change. I think this is a good length for me and it's a good change for me. I'm happy with it. Ooh, sorry to be fidgety with my hair. I hate watching videos and the person's always just like constantly touching their hair. It drives me insane. So I don't want to do that. Here's my latest hair. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video really soon. Bye for now.